Hi, Miss Uyen. Good morning. Okay, Miss Uyen, can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Uh,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So sorry the last time
Yes,
because
okay.
yeah. Okay, sorry the last time because my students get in the class so late. So I cannot I extend the classes. Okay.
Okay, but I hope the next, but okay, I hope the next time that you will not late.
Yeah, okay. Because my students came the class, my students before you came the class very late. So I was also late in ending the lesson. Okay. We are and sorry, it's loading. Okay, so we are now in
Very nice.
okay, vacation time. This one, the vacation
Very nice.
time.
No,
This one,
unit 9.
unit 9. Yeah, unit 9. Okay, vacation time. Can you see?
No, vacation time. We had vacation time last time, and today we will price is
Prices.
okay and pay and benefit. Today
10.
we will learn lesson unit 11 and pay and benefit.
Pay and benefits. This one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so here. Oh, it's good. Okay, pay and benefits. Okay, we're talking about pay and benefits because we are talking here about job. Okay, and the unit, we're talking about prices, we're talking about vacation time, and we're talking about pay and benefits. Okay, so here, please read pay information. This one, pay information. Please read.
Okay, let me already pay information. On new employee, the tax minimum wage. This means you earn $7 per hour from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But it is not the anti-salary. There are many ways to earn more than this. There is extra pay for evenings and weekends. Overtime is 1.5 times the normal rate, 10, 10 by $50 per hour. We offer a commission of 10% on any sales over $50. The commission rises to 3% on sales over $500. Our best sales people can double their basic salary with commission. Every 6 months, there is a pay review. In a pay review, we sit down together and talk about our performance. On employee who perform well get a raise. So show us what you can do.
Okay, very good. So we have here, please, sorry, Miss Oyen. How do you read this one? Oh, that one. How do you read this word? Rises. This word. I cannot highlight, sorry.
Commission, no?
Yeah, no. Commission rises. It's rises. Commission rises. Okay.
Commission rises. Meaning is in Korea.
Oh, very good. Increase. Yes. Okay. How about minimum wage? Can you explain minimum wage in Vietnamese?
Minimum is that minimum is the smallest quality.
Okay, minimum
Minimum
wage
means
is
the smallest quality.
the smallest smallest what?
The minimum meaning is smallest quality.
Minimum is just average. Average. Minimum. I don't know, in
Minimum
my
is
low for you, how about in Vietnam? In my
quantity.
country, minimum is average.
It is
Minimum average.
average.
Yeah, in my country.
I think no. I think minimum is the smallest quantity.
Smallest quantity. But in my country, when you mention the word minimum wage, it means average wage. Average. Like minimum wage in my country is around in my region, by region, different. In my region, like it's only it's only like $10 or no, $8. I don't know. Yeah, $8, $7 to $8 per day. $7 to $8 per day.
Yes.
That's minimum.
Minimum
Average.
is the smallest salary. That's right, babe.
In your country. Ours is below minimum, below. Below minimum is smallest in my country. Below minimum, this one.
The smallest salary for one person. That's right. Employee. If you are a worker, you are living in Hanoi. The minimum wage or the smallest salary. That you have been received. You have received. That's the 5,000
Long.
Việt Nam đồng.
Okay.
500 500,000 Việt Nam đồng per month, not per hour, per month, not per hour.
Okay, look at this one. Okay, so I send message. Okay, below minimum, smallest. In my country, minimum, average pay but not high. In my country only. That is what we mean with the minimum. In your country, it's different. When you say minimum, it's smallest. Smallest.
That minimum is solid.
Yeah.
Smallest.
But how about Nisuyan? In your country, are there any people or worker who pay less than minimum? In my country, many. Less than minimum. Less than minimum.
I understand. Wrong. Uh, 23 in my country. The minimum wage is 23 800 per hour.
Oh, so there are people
Vietnam
there
đồng,
are,
Việt Nam đồng.
there are, there are,
$1.
Miss Huyen, there are people who work less than minimum in your country or no? Less than minimum.
Suddenly there are many too.
Ah,
Many people.
many. In my country, many people work or who receive money less than minimum. Minimum is $7. $7 a day. $7 a day. But there are people who live less than minimum.
That's because in my country, the minimum wage per day is from $5 to $7 per day.
Also the same.
That's also 5 to 7 per day. And I think there are many people. There are many people that are working less than $5 to $7.
Okay. Oh, so
Because
many.
now economy is Vietnam economy is difficult. It's difficult. So there are many employees unemployed are employed.
So many. Yeah, I understand. The same in my country. The same in my country. Okay. So here,
Because
how about commission? Do you know the word commission?
that's commission because I work as sales engineer, sales engineering sales. So I got the commission. I have ever got commission before.
Okay, you have commissions. Oh, you get commissions. It's high.
That's
You get commissions.
that's
Okay, yeah.
Last time I worked as engineering sales. So I have ever got commission. Have ever gotten or
Wow.
got
Really? Really?
that
Okay.
suddenly I got the commission every month.
Wow, that's good. Every month commission. That's big enough. Okay.
But my work is so difficult and so difficult.
It's quite difficult too.
That's so difficult and very hard. Very hard. I usually have a few business trip. So
But you always have business
I
trip.
prefer
But you always
that
have business trip.
always. I usually have a business trip every week.
Wow.
So I think I have a smart time for my family and take care of my baby. So I quit my job.
Oh, because of that, because of the every week business trip. Okay. But now your present work, you have business trip again, right? You work now.
Sometimes
Sometimes
I
only.
work because I need to have a business trip with my boss. Because I work as janitor for him.
Mm.
I work as a janitor for him.
Okay, yes. Okay. So what do you mean by the word pay review? What did you understand about pay review?
I know.
What is pay review? Do you understand the word pay review?
That's a pay review and after it means after working after working a long time after working a
Mm.
long time on 6 months um, uh, the boss or the leader will review the work performance the work performance
Mm.
then they will decide increasing the salary or not.
Okay, so pay review, it means you will, yeah, you're correct, Miss Wian. So they have to check your pay if increase, your performance. Oh, what do you mean by
Yes.
performance?
Performance that's performance Ura's performance. I know performance. The work they run performance performance so us performance so us um the work result is how is the work the run result
Oh, yeah, how your work done or how is your work? How did you
result
do? Oh, yeah, correct. How your work done, your
result
performance. Okay, how is your
that's the wrong.
performance? Okay, yes, that's it. It's Miss Nguyen. So, in your country, do you have overtime?
That overtime is certainly if you work if you work at if you work at if you work at a factory overtime is the same way but now we we don't usually work overtime because it's work not much work is not much.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So overtime. Okay. In my country, there are company who pay overtime, other company who don't pay overtime. Okay. Overtime with no pay, overtime with pay.
Actually overtime need to be actually based on Vietnam Vietnam law Vietnam
Vietnam law.
Vietnam labor law.
Mhm.
Uh, if you if you work overtime, the the company need to pay overtime fee.
Ah, yes, that's correct. Correct. That's correct. You have to pay the overtime. Correct, correct. Yes. Okay. So we have here vocabulary, Miss Uyan. Can you guess what are the meaning of these words? Actually, there are corresponding meanings. Please check. You can answer in your paper. You have paper, you can answer that one. Let number
Match the
3,
word with the
vocabulary. Vocabulary.
vocabulary.
Mm.
Double to multiply by 2.
Okay, match
X
the words.
double to multiply by 2.
Okay, can you see this one? Can you see?
F one double is to multiply by 2. F
Ah, to multiply. Okay. Double to multiply by 2. Okay. Number 2, commission. What is commission? Commission
commission
is
is to receive to receive something in exchange for work.
very good. To receive something in exchange for
In
work.
exchange
Okay.
for work. Okay. And
Okay, correct.
earn.
Earn.
earn the act of doing a particularly part of job. No. Salary. Next to salary, salary is B. Salary B is a set amount of money an employee will earn per month
Okay, per month or year.
year.
Okay. Yes, correct. Let's go back in later. Okay, next is minimum
Yes,
wage.
and minimum wage. Minimum wage is the lowest rate of pay that is usually provided to new employees.
Okay, correct. Letter C. Okay, lowest rate. Okay, provided. Miss
common.
Uyen, provided.
Provided.
Correct, very
Provided.
good. Okay,
Provided.
next. Correct. Performance. Performance, it's letter.
The action of doing a particular task or job.
Very good. Act of doing particular. Do you know the word particular?
Particular.
Do you know the word particular? It means?
Particular is one of the own task.
Okay, particular job. When you say particular job, it means?
Yes.
Another meaning is?
Another meaning is, I think, is the one of the own task or job.
Okay, yeah, I understand. One of its own in the part. Okay, or another, yeah, you are correct. One of it is particular, one of its own part, or you can see certain, particular, certain place, particular place. Okay. So it means the word earn. What do you mean by the word earn here? It's the?
Earn is the percentage of the profit of a sale given to the employee who renders the sale.
Okay, so most likely, letter D is the commission, and letter A is the earn. Commission, it's a percentage of the profit, your commission of the sale given to employee who arranged the sale. This is the commission.
Okay.
And earn is to receive. Okay, to receive something.
Wait for me. Hay một con chào. Cô cảm ơn nhé. Đi vào đây hay cô vào đây không? Cô về nhà chưa cái này. Dạ. Thế học xong chưa? Thế đi về xin mẹ không tí nữa cô gọi hai bạn xuống chơi nhé. 10 giờ nhé. Được không? Gọi xin mẹ đi. Thế xin mẹ xong rồi xuống đây chơi. Thế tí cô gọi bạn xuống dậy. Tại hôm qua bạn xuống thức khuya. Không sao, tí là cô gọi bạn dậy ăn sáng luôn. Cô đang họp một chút. 10 giờ xuống nhé. Về xin mẹ đi.
Okay, so clear, Miss Huyan? Okay, so here now, clear, that's clear already. Okay, so we have here, okay, some letter F. Please read letter F, word bank. Letter F, word bank. This one, Miss Oyen.
Alan requested to work overtime.
Okay, overtime. Okay, 2.
He's really was happy to earn a raise.
Okay. Cat was happy to earn a raise. Okay, very good. 4.
Wait for me. Some people.
Okay.
Some people care as well. đang bận nhất. Hai bạn ơi, dậy thôi. Cún ơi, cún nào dậy thôi. Nam Anh Minh đi đâu xuống kìa, dậy đi. Children,
Okay. So yeah. So 2, okay, again. Number 1 is overtime. 2, 3 is raise. Number 4, this.
this rate.
Okay, rate, correct. This rate of pay for this job is so slow. So number 2, Carl has this, what? Please read number 2.
That was happy to earn
Raise.
a raise.
Number 2, number
And number
2.
2, and Ted had his really pay review later today.
Okay, correct. Carl has his yearly pay review. Okay, very good, Uyan. Okay, this one. Okay, please use your language. Okay, please use your language. Please read this one.
With a partner, act out the role below based on the dialogue from sheets and with roles. Can you do me a favor? Favor?
Oh, favor. It's favor.
Favor. Chilling on the floor, looking on the floor. Favor.
I need all the hours I can get.
Can you do me a favor? That use language that can you do me a favor? $7 an hour is much. I need on the how I can get.
Okay. So here the situation. Look, student A.
Student, you want to earn more money? Talk to student D about showing with a pay excessive overtime.
Okay. Student B.
Let me mix up the name for this time.
Okay, you understand this? So student A and B are talking. So student A, okay, you try to narrate, to tell me, oh, how you will gonna say to student B about the current rate that we have, the extra shift, the overtime, and student B will answer, okay, about your questions. Okay, you will gonna make up the name. Oh, it's up to you what name you want to say. Okay, please tell me, please elaborate, speak about the situation.
Okay, and hi boss, first of all, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to work at the company, to work at the company, and I just want to discuss about my salary and benefits that I win to I will receive the next month. As
Continue.
okay, as you know, my economy situation. My
Okay.
economy situation is not
Economy
good.
situation.
So that my economy situation is not good. So I want to earn more money, and could you please help me to arrange my work? I need to work overtime more, and you can you find me current rate of pay or excessive if if I work overtime and after working 6 months uh, I have a good I have a good performance and is the one to ask me to ask you do you have a pay review?
Okay, yes, okay. Okay. Okay, go. What else? How about student B? If you will be student B, what will be your response about increasing the pay?
First of all, appreciate. I'm appreciate. I'm appreciate the work hard, the hard working. I don't. I appreciate for the hard working and hard working and the hard working and um hard working and effort and the effort and the effort for the
Effort.
hard working and the effort for the effort that that you have a work you have been working at my company for 6 months
Hmm.
and uh and actually I actually is the performance is the highest in 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 my own employee. So I have done a pay review. I have done a pay review and I decided to I decided to extra to increase the increase 10% salary per month for you. It starts the new salary will be started will be started from July from next month and overtime regarding overtime uh, I will I will arrange I will arrange you
Arrange. Arrange.
that uh I will arrange 3 times per week,
Three
three
times.
times a week, 3 times a week in, instead 2 times a week before um and uh and and you can work overtime at least you can work overtime at least 6 hours per week
Okay.
6 hours
Okay.
per week and hour per week and I will give you the I will give you some extra tips such as you have a dinner you will have a dinner you will have a dinner and $1 and extra $1 per hour for overtime working hours.
Okay, yes, I understand. Okay, wow, you are very generous employer. You have many offer. Imagine overtime from 2 times a week, you will make it 3 times a week. Okay, so that's being generous. Okay, I hope all employer will be like you. Okay, very good, Miss Uyen, for the performance. Okay, so I can see that you're a good here. Overtime request like this. I don't know. Okay, so this one. Okay, so now let us move your job compatibility. Okay, please read job compatibility.
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 Compatibility. Compatibility. Thank you for talking. Thank you for taking the compatibility test. Please read below. According to our test, you have a conventional personality type. This means you like to have order in indoor life at a restaurant. You work best in organized environments. An office is a good place for you to work. The following occupations. The following occupations are best suited for conventional personalities. Accountant, bank like factory worker, but this occupation can to respect conventional personality. Teacher, designer, salesperson. Remember that more to a job than how much you earn through an occupation that suits you.
Okay, remember there's more job than how much you earn. Choose an occupation that suits you. Okay, so here we are talking occupation. What do you mean by occupation, Miss Wian?
Occupation á. Xuống rồi nhưng về rồi vì các bạn đang ngủ đấy. Occupation.
Occupation is what? What do you mean?